in separate incidents at Vidazini and Mnarini in Kilifi County and Mutuni in Lamu. 4 people were on board during the incidents. The Kenya Red Cross confirmed that 3 were rescued and found near Kiwayu Island, but 1 person remains missing.
Imewekwa ilani to avoid hizo beaches, to avoid hizo kwenda kwa kuogelea bahari. Wale ambao wanasema ya kuwa ni ekonomi yao ya samaki, tafadhali ni siku 2 ama 3.
So just let's tuchukue precautions. Leo pia tustamilini. Hadi tutongoje paka na kesho.
In response to the rising number of weather-related emergencies, Mombasa Governor Abdul Samad Sharif Nasir has taken swift action ordering the immediate closure of all public beaches, suspension of marine activities, and a halt to construction works across the county.
Department yetu kuhusiana na mambo ya uvuvi wamejulishwa wavuvi wote. Department ya building wamejulishwa na watawajulisha wajengaji wote, na tunawajulisha KWS na Kenya Coast Guard waweze kutusaidia na kuhakikisha kwa hakuna watu ambao watakuwa katika fuo zetu za bahari.
The governor stressed that the safety measures will remain in effect until the Meteorological Department confirms it's safe to resume normal activities. He urged residents and visitors to remain vigilant and prioritize their safety, saying temporary restrictions are in place to protect the entire community. The Kenya Meteorological Department had on Friday, May 23rd, issued a warning to residents of several counties, including Marsabit, Turkana, Samburu, Isiolo, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa, Kitui, Makueni, Taita Taveta, Tana River, Lamu, Kilifi, Mombasa and Kwale to brace for strong winds capable of causing significant destruction. Marian Barasa, KTN.